Hey friends, so today we're gonna be using the ice cone machine. So let's begin. Let's put the ice in. Ice. If you want to do this one, I don't suggest because it's too strong. Oh God. Okay, friends, so this is the cone that we, okay, let's use the spoon and flatten it out. Okay, so let's use so cold. Okay, let's flatten it out, make sure there's nothing leaning off the edge. Okay, let's do more. This is very messy. I'll see you guys in once. I'll see you guys back in one second. So this is a very messy job.
I think this should be in there. So.
You think this?
Yeah.
Okay, let me just get it in a little hill. This is a very messy process. Look at all the ice that fell. Okay. So now we're gonna carry on down. Let's make a red snow cone. Ooh. It's a red snow cone. Red snow cone. Delicious. Okay, so now I'm gonna attempt, let's put some green in it to give it some extra color. Okay, that's a little brown.
Yeah, green and red. Makes it like it's brown.
Brown. Okay, let's taste it. Let's see tasty.
There you go, this was.
Okay, ready? I don't know if this can taste good. It's good.
Sweet?
Okay, friends, so now we're gonna do a chocolate mountain. So if you don't know what a chocolate mountain is, it's basically like it's the ice mountain that is covered in chocolate. Oh, I already filled that up. Whoopsie. Okay, so let's get a cup. Ready for another messy process? Okay, let's smooth it out. Okay.
Make sure I'm pressing. Yeah.
Okay. Next, we get a bowl. Then we do this.
Okay.
Uh-huh. Then we put chocolate syrup on it. Next, we add the milk.
Yeah, you can do it now. Mommy already opened it, honey. Yes. Ah, it's so yummy, 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 yummy.
Looks like chocolate and vanilla.
Yes, and then
That should be enough.
yeah, enough.
Then is the toppings. Let's put a couple of sweet chocolate chips. It's becoming really heavy. We cannot take it. Now for the sprinkles. Let's put a couple of the chocolate powder, which is actually Oreo cookies. Let's put a couple of, I guess you can dump everything, but we're not going to do that because that's going to be crazy. Then we're going to put the sprinkle. This is becoming extremely chocolate. Okay.
And then you had the
A
brownie.
couple of brownies. Let's put the brownies on. Okay. Yes. Okay.
Look delicious.
And super chocolate. A brownie on top. A whole entire brownie. This is a brownie bite and it's falling apart.
Okay, how about you trying it? Is this really yummy? Chocolate mountain?
Yep. And
Very interesting
it's-
one.
it's surrounded with a chocolate moat. The chocolatey stuff is on the milky milk. Let's try it.
It's delicious. Good.
It's delicious. So friends, now we are going to make an ice cone salad. So first, let's get some corn. Corn. Put it in your glass.
Okay, that should be enough.
And then some blueberries. Oh, some still have the stem.
Yeah.
Blueberry.
Yeah.
Blueberry.
That's good.
Okay, now let's get the ice, which is the mostly messy part. Well, I got it on top. And it needs a little bit more. Okay, now let's put it in. Do we need more?
Just a little more, honey. Yeah, need a little more.
The glass is full to the brim. Full to the brim. Now, let's get some color. I'm not gonna put a little bit of green.
You can put in more juice.
That should be enough. Then let's add some more, some milk. This one needs milk too. Yeah. And then the fruit mix. It looks disgusting though. But I'll promise you it's delicious. It's very, very sticky.
And then put in the more juice.
Some
Red
more
wine.
juice?
Yeah. Yeah, that should be enough. It looks yummy.
You can see some of the milk that had reached the bottom. Whoopsie!
Accidentally?
Yes. You can. Most of the milk reached the bottom. Now it's covering the fruits and the corn. Let's taste it. So
You can take it from corner spoon. So.
let's taste it.
It's yummy?
Yep.
Delicious?
Yep.
Good.